Hey guys, Dalton here with US Steam, and today I'm going to show you our newest unit, the EP2. It's the Eagle Plus that we had before, but made a little bit better, and I want to show you a little bit about the machine and how to get it out of the box and get it set up and working. So first, we're going to start with the removal of all the attachments. So let's just go ahead and get everything out of our way. That way we have plenty of space to get the big machine out. Now the machine is a little bit heavy, so you might need a second set of hands. But you can pull it out. We're just going to set it to the side. All right, so now that the machine is out, we're going to start with the handle. But first, let me kind of go over some of the things we did to make it a little bit different. So you see the machine's a little bit shorter, a little wider than our previous Eagle Plus model. We've also made our caps a little more accessible from the top. So a couple little small things. You may also notice that the vacuum is completely removed. Now, the great thing about this is it makes it a lot easier to maneuver around when you're trying to pick it up and put it in a car or take it upstairs, that kind of thing. So it just pops on and off with a quick disconnect and a little nut for the bracket. So first, we are going to open up our accessory kit. So just want to touch on this. So this screwdriver and Allen wrench actually come with the machine. So you'll see that you'll need to keep these tools for later. This is for removing the drain plug as well. And we're going to get our hardware kit out of the box. That's what we're looking for here. All right. So we're going to set these guys off to the side. These are clips we're going to put on at the end. So handle on top, there are threaded inserts. So you're just going to slide in between these bars here and take the flathead hex key. Get these started. And just hand tighten, turn a few times into each hole until we get all four connected. Now they're all four in. We're going to take our Allen wrench. Let's go ahead and spin these bad boys in there. No particular order. Once they're tight on each side, I always take the Allen wrench and give it one good turn. Make sure they're locked in for the future. Back out later on while we're using it. We're going to do this. Okay. Those are on. We're going to take these two. Should I say this round knob? And we're going to attach this on the side here. Repeat this on the other side as well. All right, so now that is done, we're going to screw these onto the side of the machine. So you can see here, these two little brackets are going to lock in place. And we're going to repeat that on the other side of the machine as well. So now that we are done putting all of our pieces together, we need to attach the vacuum. So there's a few things to note. As I mentioned, the vacuum is detachable. So the steamer will actually work with or without the vacuum. Something new about the EP2. So we're going to disconnect these latches on the side of the vacuum here. I'm going to pull this and just set it out of our way. Take this bracket off. And you'll see these two little ears. They slide in place right here. And this slides over this stud sticking out. So just take this plastic nut, back it off. So you start at the top, kind of work your way down. That'll slide in place. All right, so we need to connect the vacuum. The easiest way is to go ahead and attach the power plug first. So you can just take this guy, and you'll see there's a pin with a little slot. Make sure you line that up inside the machine on the connector itself. Should slide down over once you get it locked in right. And a few turns, tighten up, give it a little pull, just make sure. And then now, you can just sit this just like so. Reattach the vacuum. Just make sure your cord's out of the way. Reattach the vacuum bucket from here. And now our new EP2 is ready to go.